Hello students, we were discussing Egyptian civilization. In this video, we will be discussing what was their achievements in the field of science and technology. So their main achievements were solar calendar and the system of counting in tens, area of triangle and rectangles, knowledge of surgery and anatomy, pyramids, highly decorated temples, figures of mythological animal shapes. Okay, one by one we will be discussing. So they devised a system of counting in tens, and they know that how to find out the area of a triangle shaped or rectangle shaped particle. Now see, we'll be discussing the solar calendar. That is very important when we are discussing the achievements of Egyptians in the field of science and technology. Solar calendar is very important. And solar calendar is based on the movements of the sun. And this solar calendar they made mainly based on the annual floods that I have already told you people. The annual floods in the Nile made the land, that is the Egypt, fertile. So here also, based on the annual floods on Nile river, they made a solar calendar. They observed one thing, that the annual floods comes after each 365 days. So they divided this 365 days as 360 plus 5, and 360 they have divided this 360 days into 12 months of 30 days each, and there remains 5 days. So these remaining 5 days they set aside for the festivals, and their new year starts with the rising of the brightest star named Cyrus. So you can see from the pictures, these are the solar calendar based on the annual floods the Egyptians made. Now, another achievement in the field of science, they had the knowledge of surgery and anatomy. I hope you know what is surgery. Surgery is a medical treatment provided through an opening in the body. So in the earlier days, it was done by making a large incision to perform this procedure. But advances in technology allow the practitioners, the physicians or the surgeons to make a very small incisions now. Maybe you have heard about keyhole surgeries. So whatever it is, this surgery, the knowledge of surgery these Egyptians had. You have to think one thing, this happened many years back. So at that time onwards, the Egyptians had the knowledge of surgery and anatomy. Now what is anatomy? Anatomy is the branch of biology that is concerned with the study of the structures of animals and their parts. Structures of organisms and their parts. Yeah, listen, not only animals or. Yeah, listen here. So the first picture shows the picture of surgery that the Egyptians had done. Now you can see the anatomy of wrist, and here the anatomy of ear, and then you can see the anatomy of the skeleton of a human body. So they had the knowledge of surgery and anatomy also. Even now the modern science has how much knowledge they had that at that time, long years back. Now next one is very important, pyramids. So these pyramids were, as I have already told you when we were discussing the mummification, mummies, embalmed dead bodies, at that time I told you the pharaohs, the king's dead bodies are kept in the pyramids. So the pyramids are the tombs of pharaohs, and kings' mummies and precious belongings were there. Huge blocks of stones cut to shape and fit together, and they make the pyramids. And this pyramid's inner side was decorated with beautiful paintings and hieroglyphics writings. There's a very good pyramid in Egypt, that is the Great Pyramid at Giza, and that is the pyramid of Pharaoh Khufu. So now from the picture you can see the Great Pyramid of Giza near Cairo. Cairo is a town in Egypt. Now, highly decorated temples were another examples for their achievements in the architecture. So they're decorated with huge statues and massive columns. These temples were decorated with huge statues. You can see from the picture, huge statues are there, and Massive walls were also there. And the examples for these temples are temples at Abu Simbel and Karnak. You have to remember these names. Now they have made the mythological animal figure. It is also an example for their good architecture. They were of good creators. So they made a mythological animal figure named Sphinx. And what is the speciality of that figure? It has the body of a lion and the head of a man. So this mythological figure, it was not real, it was a mythological figure, and it is also an example for their achievement in the architecture field. So this much about the science and technology of Egyptian civilization. Thank you.